Are you trying to figure out how to save money fast while everything around you feels unstable? We're living in a different world. AI is changing industries, jobs are shifting, and prices are creeping up. And there's no clear sense of what's coming next. So the real question is, how do you build security quickly without feeling like you're falling behind? Because saving money slowly is one thing, but saving money fast in an uncertain economy, that's a different game. And today, I'm going to walk you through a simple system that actually works. Not complicated, not extreme. Just practical steps you can start using right away. So let me ask you this. If your income dropped tomorrow, how long would you be okay? And more importantly, what would you do about it? Hey, I'm Larry, a semi-retired electrician who's figured out simple money systems that actually work. If you want practical stuff like this every week, hit subscribe. And stick around, because I've got a free gift waiting for you at the end that'll help you set this up fast. Now, here's the reality. We're in a different kind of economy. Stability isn't what it used to be. And that creates a new kind of pressure. Not panic, but uncertainty. And people who handle uncertainty best act fast. They cut aggressively, add income streams that AI can't easily touch, optimize everything defensively, and turbocharge their buffers while rates are still solid. That's the lesson today. How to save money fast without reinventing the wheel and turning your life upside down. So let's start with the first step. Run a rapid cash flow audit and slash non-essentials hard for the next 30 to 60 days. Go beyond basic tracking. Pull up your last 3 months of statements and hunt for the big levers. Recurring subscriptions you forgot about, streaming bundles, premium apps, gym memberships not used, even insurance premiums that crept up. Negotiate or cancel ruthlessly. I once found $150 a month in unused services. That's $1,800 a year redirected straight to savings. Also include lifestyle trims. Eat out half as often. Pause impulse buys. And shop generics aggressively. Back when prices jumped a few years ago, I cut my dining out to once a week and switched to store brands. It freed up over $400 a month, and I didn't feel deprived at all. In today's environment, where AI might reduce hours or inflation keeps pushing costs higher, spotting and eliminating these leaks quickly gives you immediate breathing room. The goal is to free up $300 to $600 fast by living lean temporarily. Because in uncertain times, that cash becomes your shield. Step 2. Ramp up a side income stream that's hard for AI to replace. Don't chase flashy gigs that could vanish overnight. Focus on hands-on, in-person work that needs a real human touch. Handyman jobs, small home repairs, tutoring students face-to-face, pet sitting or dog walking, or driving for rideshare during peak hours. Handyman-type work is especially strong right now. Things like basic assembly, furniture mounting, or simple fixes around the house can easily add $500 to $1,000 a month with just a few evenings or weekends. That's exactly what I did after semi-retiring. I started picking up small side jobs for neighbors, fixing outlets, hanging shelves, or helping with basic wiring. It boosted my cash flow without any real stress and gave me great flexibility whenever my main work slowed down. Many folks are facing AI disruption in office or routine jobs right now. Building something tangible and local like this creates a backup that's truly resilient. The key is portability and resilience. Build income that travels with you if your main role shifts. Step 3. Optimize debt and bills defensively to lock in lower costs now. High-interest debt is a killer when rates or prices rise. Refinance credit cards if possible, consolidate loans, or negotiate lower rates with creditors. Dropping one high-interest card payment by $100 to $200 a month frees real money. In volatile times, less outflow means more stays in your pocket for protection. Then hit your bills. Shop insurance quotes aggressively, home, auto, even health if eligible, and bundle services for discounts. For utilities, call your provider to ask about alternative rate plans, budget billing options, energy assistance programs, or efficiency rebates. Many offer ways to reduce usage or spread costs evenly. You might be surprised by what you can save. A couple years back, I switched to a better utility plan in my area and bundled my internet and phone, and it saved me $80 a month that went straight into savings instead of vanishing. With energy costs fluctuating and potential rate hikes ahead, these defensive moves lock in stability before things get tighter. Step 4. Accelerate your buffer with high-yield tactics and windfalls. High-yield savings accounts are still paying 4 to 5% or better, so move your emergency money there now for growth while it's liquid. And start by automating regular transfers so saving happens without thinking. Then supercharge it. Whenever you get a tax refund, bonus, or extra cash from selling something, put it straight into your high-yield savings account. You can also sell unused gear online for quick hundreds or even thousands. Have a look around the house at things you don't use anymore, like old electronics, clothes you haven't worn in years, sports equipment gathering dust, or furniture taking up space. And if you're starting low, meaning you have little or no emergency savings right now, aim to hit $1,000 to $3,000 as your first milestone within the next 1 to 3 months. To figure that out, add up your monthly must-pays, rent, groceries, utilities, minimum debt payments, and multiply by 3. Small weekly adds compound with interest. $50 a week at 5% builds faster than you think. If you get a bonus or windfall, put it in a high-yield savings account instead of spending it, and watch it grow. When I got extra cash from a side job last year, I put it all in my high-yield account instead of spending it, and it grew noticeably while sitting there safe. Step 5. Separate your savings immediately. This is one of the easiest steps, and one of the most powerful. If your savings sit in the same account as your spending, it will disappear. Not because you're careless, but because it's right there, available. So here's what you do. The moment money comes in, move a portion of it to a different account, a different place. Out of sight, out of mind. And do it even if it's just a small amount at first, because separation creates protection. Think of it like this. If your money has no boundaries, it has no direction. But once you separate it, it starts working for you. I've followed this rule for years, and it removes all that constant decision-making. You don't have to think about saving anymore. It's already done. And the takeaway is simple. Protect your progress, or you'll lose it. Step 6. Build economic resilience habits that stick through any shift. Shift your mindset first. Save, because uncertainty is already here. Don't wait for things to get back to normal. Habit 1. Review everything monthly. Check your spending. your side income, and your buffer progress. Then make small adjustments for inflation spikes, AI-related job changes, or whatever comes next. Habit 2. Diversify your skills a little. Pick one practical add-on that actually fits your life and could bring in extra cash. For example, learn basic handyman tasks like mounting TVs, doing touch-up painting, or hanging shelves, all free through YouTube tutorials. These side gigs stay in demand because AI can't show up at someone's house. And if hands-on repairs aren't your thing, look at other human touch opportunities, such as pet sitting, babysitting, light home organizing, or driving for rideshare apps like Uber or Lyft during peak hours. Habit 3. Keep your buffer completely separate and untouched, except for true emergencies. Habit 4. Celebrate progress by adding to it instead of spending it. Even a small win like hitting your next $500 milestone deserves a quiet, "good job," rather than a reward purchase. Set a simple quarterly goal, track it like a scoreboard, and when AI or the economy throws you a curve, you're not reacting. You're positioned with cash flow, lower costs, extra income, and a growing shield. That discipline gives you real options and peace. And that brings us to the full Larry's Ladder lesson. Your complete climb, step by step. Step 1. Run a rapid cash flow audit and cut hard. Step 2. Ramp up an AI-resistant side income. Step 3. Optimize debt and bills defensively. Step 4. Accelerate your buffer with high yield and windfalls. Step 5. Separate your savings immediately. Step 6. Build resilience habits that last. Here's the big takeaway. In an economy with AI reshaping jobs, persistent inflation, and unexpected shifts, fast savings come from aggressive protection and smart acceleration. Not just cutting corners and optimizing outflows, but adding resilient income streams, diversifying your skills for extra cash opportunities, and letting high rates work for you. The people who stay steady build these layers early. It turns worry into control. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next ladder lesson. And drop a comment below. What's one quick move you're making this week to save faster? Oh, and check the description for your free gift. It's the Save Money Fast Action Guide. Inside, you'll find rapid audits, side hustle ideas, and a simple high-yield setup to get you moving right away. No strings attached. Download it and get started today. One more thing. If you're still figuring out how big your emergency fund should actually be, go watch my previous video. How much emergency fund do you need in the age of AI? That one pairs perfectly with what we covered today. And remember, if this electrician can do it, so can you.